Hey everybody, I'm about to take my Asus E410 laptop computer that was pretty laggy, constantly trying to upload and download updates. I cut all those updates off, and it's gotten down to the point where I had to go buy a new hard drive if I want to be able to store information on this. So I took a computer that I only wanted to do basic web searches, emails, just basic stuff, no heavy downloads. Couldn't hardly use it. So I bought this new Gigabyte brand hard drive, 250 gigabyte. I'm going to put a link in the description if anybody wants to order one. I want to just share that it's very simple, but do use it at your own risk if you try this. On the back here is 10 screws. I've already removed them, but I just wanted to kind of speed through this to show you guys. So all you need is a couple tools. Flat head screwdriver on this multi-tool, and I've got a small Phillips screwdriver, and then I've got my my Gigabyte SSD, and that's just about all you need. You can also take like a guitar pick and go through here and separate this plastic here of this case of this laptop. Gently go around and pry this case open. I'll show you here where these two pieces meet. Okay. So I'm here in the Philippines doing this. I don't have all my tools, but they say it is best to use a guitar pick to pry that open. So set that to the side, and now we have the internals. Your new little Gigabyte SSD. We're gonna insert it into here. It's got a little notch there. If you can see in there where my finger's pointing, that's where the notch goes. You want to make sure that you get the right SSD. There's a screw hole here, and this is going to be what holds down this hard drive after you're done. So we got that inserted. So now install your screw. Got my screw started, and so now I'm going to tighten it down. That's that. So let's go ahead and let's put our cover back on. Your cover, it just snaps back on, so just go around and just gently press it back down. Go all the way around. Let's go ahead and put your screws back in. We'll have it where we can start it back up here in a second. I'm also going to show you here how to set up after you install that, because you're going to need to set it up when you turn your computer back on. Here's the common written instructions that can be found online after you install your SSD. You can pause the video here for the written instructions, or you can watch these next clips of how I did it. Let's go ahead and turn the computer back on. Go down here, right click the start button, select disk management. This window will pop up and it'll say initialize disk. Press OK. Come down here, right click the unallocated disk space down here. Click new simple volume. Follow the instructions, click next. Next. Assign the following drive letter. D. It's got D up there. It's asking to format. Just click next. And complete. Finish. So now it says it's healthy, and looks like we're good to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm here in the Philippines right now on my tour, and I'm glad I got to install this SSD. The computer is running a lot faster. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can buy you one too. And until next time, take care, everybody.